Our dev team has been so busy updating the Command app to make it more and more amazing for agents like me and you. And so I can't wait to tell you about a couple of the updates. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. Today I'm going to be showing you another command update on adding neighborhoods to a contact. And yes, it is from the Command app. So we're just going to click on contacts down here at the bottom left. You're going to search for the contact you want to add a neighborhood to. You're going to go into that contact record here, you can see, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says neighborhoods. You're going to click this add or remove button here, and you can add a neighborhood to their contact record. So I'm just going to type in the neighborhood I want to add. And there it is. I'm going to just click on this add button here, and that's going to add to their contact record. I can search multiples. So let's search for Harper's Preserve. And there it is. It's already been added, so I can just leave it. But then when you're done, you're just going to click save in the upper right corner, and you can see that neighborhood is there. If I want to remove, I'm just going to click that same button, click in there, and so you can see it says Coles Crossing at the bottom. I'm just going to bring that up and down here, and any of these neighborhoods I can remove. So maybe I want to remove Lake Chateau and Coles Crossing and anything that doesn't pertain to this contact, and then I'll just click save in the top right, and you can see the ones I removed are no longer here. And that's it. That's how you add and remove neighborhoods from the contact record inside of the Command app. Let me know in the comments below if you love this feature. I know I sure do, and I use it all the time. See you next week.